ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka College Puli Nursing ka babhatam na kabanta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Ka Hill State People's Democratic Party kapal IT ka Jingmut syaka expert committee on state reservation policy haka arpsantrik julia arja apusau kala Jingmut ban Pyndam no ya ka Bhah kapal lamang kerpang saupau la saupau ya ka jai ban rew Khasi Jaiñtia bat Garo bat ban bu no da ka combined reservation kabalong prapho nak sispa nak benta ka jai ban rew Khasi Jaiñtia bat Garo da ka pension longrem kat kum ka merit ne ka jingle Bhah ha ka jing puli haka jing kren bigala pathai khubur u general secretary ka party u ba panbor ta thiang ulong ba jing Jingmut kalong ban bu no da combined reservation kabalong be prapho nak sispa Khasi Jaiñtia bat ki Garo
adin baka lami notification ba ay ka suggestion ng ka reservation policy temtar sin lawan ban ay ko secretary Hspdp ni reservation policy ni khamdon shibot li kimat ni tentang santai point ya ka bangila ashwin ka committee ba taxi ti kung ka party kung ila don ko manifesto dungin revise ya ka reservation policy ti kung taru ko ni ko point ba ka Jingmut ni ko ban combined 40% or 50% ya ka ba for both Khasi Jaiñtia and Garo in order of merit Hspdp ka no ka Jingmut kam sarkar exam no but the combined 40 to 80% in order of merit come to do away 40 for Khasi Jaiñtias 40 for Garos combined kata ka suggestion ka bani kong ai kan ba create healthy competition no among the educated employee no number 2 Hspdp ka office memorandum jo ka 18 December 1972 Hspdp ni come up district level post party to suggest 4% number ki Khasi Jaiñtia apo district Khasi Jaiñtia Hills 90% for Khasi Jaiñtias in district Khasi and Jaiñtia Hills and whereas 90% number district tam tagi Garo kumot Garo tagi Garo ki Khasi and Khasi 90% number 4 Hspdp ka paratu jo ka resolution kadon kini ka kini bomba la ka deficiency kumukalong hapo manchupuli kumakadon nipo resolution mo if there is a deficiency in the number of scheduled tribes and scheduled castes shall be carried forward to the next recruitment year and made good in the recruitment of that year kapag din suggest me to do away the process of carried forward kapumur kalong ba on the particular year lada kanu ka sarkar ka pan apply kam le banthap kam no le banet ang usna without the process of carried forward taka di point number 4. The most important point was number 5. Nagalang party Hspdp ka state reservation policy January 12. New allocation of seats for the academic careers, allocation of seats for academic careers in terms of Khasi Jaiñtia and Garo mo. Kamdan ko no proper indication Hspdp ka percentage marks. Then nagalang party ngimlan iba ang haling issue ka pa yung committee makan relook into the matter. Di kumakalong mantalong kadon lalaka ko percentage di kanang banwanra ita ka efficiency but ita ka combine 80% at ay kanilo di ko winning important points baka ni Jingmut sa committee bakan pagbahay kani kanang panuntiya silang apren miki lightly Khasi Jaiñtia Garo
combine na saka kanong 40 kumakalong na kita kanong 40 plus 40 kanong 80% kanong 80% for Khasi and Garo
and Khasi Jaiñtia and Garo kami di away combine. Pi dengan kita tipet bagi resolution kan. Nyonra ini ru ba on shui hu ipimo. Tipet bagi kita resolution ko bang kena party ngira pek biniak mo. Tipet kita para ketika sentence ke Bhah kapag it has now been decided kani resolution mo kung January 12 mo. Kani kapag kani ka lain ni ko keeping in view the inadequacy of representation of these communities. The hang tu ngi the communities means Khasi Jaiñtia Garo. Mo. Mahagi tigi port kin kama shua ka state hot ni. Ni kalma ka pina khna tigi port ki officer ka ribu Bombay Khasi. Idi ki Assamese ni Bengali any non Khasi. The man ta kana hangni kalong very clearly hangni inadequacy of representation of these communities and the services on the atmosphere of Meghalaya. Mo. Hani ka ba lang ka ba khamsu po with the maintenance of efficiency and administration. The number of the is about the number of the down is about 140% to bring healthy competition and efficiency in the administration of the government services. Di na kata benta. Pindapat ka copy joni government Meghalaya ni personal gani pindapat siya untuk copy pinili do office memorandum itu abai di district ano ko job. 90% for Khasi Jaiñtia and 90% for Garo. Separately. Even Garo is a part of Meghalaya. Khasi Jaiñtia and Garo is a part of Meghalaya. We cannot deny the fact. Ilong ko wait. Ano pa menta?
Khasi Jaiñtia kadehi banong kunta. Naru kadon session jomo paring kawan hagani gari. Hagani grilum Khasi Jaiñtia jumi. Pinpai ni kendai spa. Kat pas spa like mo. Leitu ingi kum ka Khasi Jaiñtia agency United Khasi Jaiñtia district mo nadu ko por pareng por Assam por Meghalaya. Udah direk. Teknik along kunta.
Government gini ada suggestion ni ibu nama kata. Kamera ni ada suggestion ni ada apa? National Expert Committee ban rahi.